In this video, we listed the 5 best small 3D printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AnkerMake M5 3D Printer. The Anker 3D printer, featuring the Power Boost 3.0 firmware, offers enhanced performance with smoother output, increased acceleration, and optimized toolhead efficiency without compromising print quality. Constructed with a precise 0.1 mm detail capability, it employs an ultra-direct extruder and a die-cast aluminum alloy structure for stability, even at high speeds. The printer includes a 7x7 auto-leveling system with advanced algorithms and a leveling sensor to ensure accurate first layers. It also features an error detection system with extra processing power and an intelligent camera to prevent printing errors, along with autopause and real-time notifications. The M5 model provides a large printing surface of 235 by 235 by 250 mm, suitable for large 3D models and multi-part runs. Remote control is available via the AnkerMake app, AnkerMake Studio, or Amazon Alexa, allowing for model printing directly from a phone. Easy to assemble, the printer can be set up in just 15 minutes with all necessary tools included. It supports multiple materials like PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, PACF, and PLACF, and is available in silver and black colors. Number 2. Entina Mini 3D Printers. The Entina 3D printer is a beginner-friendly device that comes fully assembled and ready to use, allowing users to start printing within minutes. It features an auto-leveling system with a magnetic platform for easy model removal, eliminating the need for manual leveling. The printer is equipped with dual Z-axis rails for enhanced precision and stability, making it ideal for detailed DIY projects. Its compact and lightweight design, with dimensions of 8.3 inches by 8.3 inches by 11.4 inches and a weight of 3 kilograms, makes it suitable for home, classroom, or office use. The printer includes a 2.4-inch LCD screen and WeEbulider slicer software for offline printing via a microSD card, and it supports resume printing after power outages. It's marketed as a perfect gift for beginners and children, offering knob operation and one-button filament management. The product also comes with a 30-day return policy, a 24-month warranty, and lifetime technical support, with customer service available via email. Number 3. ELEGOO Mars for Macs. The ELEGOO Mars for Macs is a high-performance 3D printer featuring a 9.1-inch monochrome LCD screen with a 6K resolution of 5760 by 3600 and an impressive XY resolution of 34 enabling detailed and precise prints at speeds up to 70 mm per H. Its 9H hardness tempered glass protects the LCD screen from scratches and resin damage. The printer utilizes a COB plus refractive light source for uniform light distribution and enhanced detail accuracy, supported by a grayscale anti-aliasing algorithm for smoother surfaces. With a large build volume of 195.84 by 122.4 by 150 mm, 7.71 by 4.81 by 5.9 inches, it offers ample space for larger models or batch printing, improving productivity. The dual-fan cooling system ensures efficient heat dissipation for extended durability. Additionally, the Voxel Tango software provides 3 printing modes, static and dynamic, including smooth and high-speed modes, for optimized efficiency, paired with ELEGOO's open-source GOO slicing format for compatibility with various slicing software. This makes the Mars for Macs a versatile and reliable choice for advanced 3D printing needs. Number 4. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The Monoprice Voxel is a 3D printer designed for ease of use and versatility. It features a quick change nozzle system, allowing users to replace the nozzle in seconds without any tools, unlike traditional 3D printers that require significant time and effort. The printer includes a heated, flexible, and removable build plate, which facilitates easy model removal and quick replacement if damaged. Additionally, the build plate can be heated up to 60 degrees Celsius, enhancing printing capabilities. The Voxel arrives fully calibrated with an auto-leveling feature, making it ready to use straight out of the box. Users can adjust the nozzle-to-bed distance via a touch screen interface, ensuring precision. The printer supports various operating systems, including Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10, Mac OS X, and Linux. It also boasts an auto-feeding system with a filament sensor that simplifies the loading process and pauses prints when filament levels are low. For additional resources, users can visit the Monoprice website to find the product page by searching for Voxel or using part number 33820 to download the latest software and manual. The printer's dimensions are 15.9-inch x 15.7 WX15H, and it weighs 12.92 kilograms, with a color scheme of gray and black. Number 5. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. The Adventurer 4 Pro by FLASHFORGE is a high-performance 3D printer designed for efficiency, precision, and user convenience. It features automatic bed leveling and rapid nozzle replacement, including hardened and high-speed nozzles, enabling a swift printing capability of up to 300 mm per second. To ensure superior print quality, the printer is equipped with 3 extruder fans for optimal cooling and a flexible PEI platform for easy print removal. The Adventurer 4 Pro prioritizes health and safety with its HEPA 13 air filtration system, which captures ultrafine particles to maintain clean air in the workspace. It also addresses common printing frustrations with upgraded filament detection and print resume capabilities, allowing users to continue printing seamlessly after filament breaks or power outages. Additionally, the printer includes a built-in camera for remote monitoring and an energy-saving mode to optimize power consumption, making it both smart and environmentally friendly.